Hey there, and thanks for joining. Ever feel like there's not enough time to deeply prepare for every client interaction? Today, we're unlocking 3 ChatGPT prompts that will transform how you approach your solutions consulting role. Welcome! Today, we're diving deep into practical AI applications for solutions consultants. We'll start with a quick refresher on the powerful RCTFC prompting framework, which is the secret sauce behind effective AI interactions. Then, we'll explore 3 essential ChatGPT prompts, one for discovery call prep, another for tailoring product demos to perfection, and a third for crafting concise and impactful follow-up summaries. By the end, you'll feel ready to apply AI to truly elevate your consulting practice. Before we jump into specific prompts, let's quickly refamiliarize ourselves with the RCTFC framework. This powerful structure ensures your prompts are clear, comprehensive, and generate the most relevant and accurate outputs from ChatGPT. It's the foundation for all successful AI interactions in a professional setting, setting you up for success right from the start. RCTFC stands for Role, Context, Task, Format, and Constraints. Giving ChatGPT a role like solutions consultant or technical expert sets the tone. Context provides all the background it needs, like client industry or pain points. The task is your core request. What do you want it to do? Format dictates how you want the answer presented, perhaps bullet points or an email. Finally, constraints are any rules or limitations, like word count or specific tone. Mastering these elements ensures your AI outputs are exactly what you need. The key takeaway here is that using the RCTFC framework is not just a suggestion, it's a game changer for effective AI prompting. By providing a clear role, context, task, format, and constraints, you're guiding the AI precisely and ensuring the output is truly valuable. A structured prompt always yields significantly better and more relevant results, saving you time and effort down the line. First up, let's tackle a common challenge: efficiently preparing for discovery calls. Solutions consultants often juggle multiple clients and limited prep times. This prompt empowers you to quickly gather insights, anticipate questions, and craft a tailored agenda, ensuring you walk into every call confident and ready to engage meaningfully. Imagine having a virtual research assistant that quickly sifts through information to help you understand a client's industry, identify their likely pain points, and even suggest specific questions to ask. This prompt does exactly that. It helps you build a robust understanding before you even pick up the phone, so you can focus on building rapport and uncovering true needs during the call itself. Alright, it's time for our first lab. On screen, you'll see the prompt template for discovery call preparation. Notice how we assign a clear role, provide ample context about the client and their challenges, and then specify the task, pain points, discovery questions, and an agenda. We also define the format and key constraints. Pause this video now. Fill in the bracketed placeholders with details for a real or hypothetical client, and run this prompt in ChatGPT. Then unpause to see what kind of powerful insights you can get. Excellent! You should now have a detailed output like this. See how ChatGPT, with the right prompt, can quickly analyze your input and generate highly relevant pain points, thoughtful discovery questions that go beyond the surface, and a well-structured agenda. This isn't just generic content. It's tailored to your specific client. This kind of preparation ensures you ask the right questions and guide the conversation effectively, building credibility and deeper understanding from the very first minute. The key takeaway here is that leveraging AI for discovery call prep dramatically accelerates your research phase, allowing you to walk into every meeting truly prepared. By generating tailored pain points and specific discovery questions, you can steer conversations towards deeper insights, making every minute of your client interaction more productive and meaningful. This boosts your confidence and improves client perception significantly. Next, let's explore how ASI can help you craft truly impactful product demos. A generic demo rarely resonates. Solutions consultants need to quickly adapt their presentations to each client's unique needs and priorities. This prompt helps you personalize your demo flow and highlight the most relevant features, ensuring your message hits home every time. Personalized demos aren't just about showing features. They're about demonstrating how your solution directly solves the client's specific problems. This prompt guides ChatGPT to align your product's capabilities with the client's identified pain points, helping you craft compelling use cases and narrative arcs. It ensures your demo isn't just a feature showcase, but a tailored story that speaks directly to their business outcomes, making it much more impactful. Alright, for our second lab, we're building a personalized demo structure. The prompt on your screen takes the insights from your discovery call and helps you translate them into a compelling demo. We're telling ChatGPT to act as a product expert, giving it the client's confirmed pain points and our solution's key features. Your task is to fill in the placeholders. Remember to pause the video, fill in your client details, and run this prompt. Get ready to see how AI can help you craft a truly captivating demo. Fantastic! Your output should now look something like this, a meticulously structured demo plan. Notice how ChatGPT has mapped specific product features directly to the client's pain points, crafting compelling narratives that focus on business value. This isn't just a list of features. It's a storytelling framework designed to resonate. By using this, you ensure your demo is highly relevant, engaging, and directly addresses what matters most to your client, maximizing your chances of moving the deal forward. The key takeaway for demo tailoring is simple. A client-centric demo is always a winning demo. AEI helps you move beyond generic presentations by crafting relevant narratives and a logical flow that directly addresses the client's unique challenges. This means you're not just showing features, you're illustrating solutions, making your product's value undeniably clear and significantly increasing your impact. Finally, let's talk about the critical post-meeting follow-up. After a great discovery call or demo, a clear, concise, and value-driven summary is essential to maintain momentum and align on next steps. This prompt helps you quickly synthesize key discussion points, reiterate value, and clearly outline commitments, saving you valuable time while making a professional impression. Post-meeting summaries often feel like a time drain, but they're crucial for reinforcing understanding and driving progress. This prompt transforms raw meeting notes into a polished, professional summary. It helps you quickly distill the most important discussion points, re-emphasize how your proposed solutions address their specific challenges, and clearly articulate who owns what next. This ensures everyone is on the same page, preventing misunderstandings and accelerating the sales cycle. It's time for our final lab. The prompt on your screen is designed to help you quickly craft a perfect follow-up email. Here, you'll act as an efficient solutions consultant. You'll provide context about the meeting, list key discussion points, and specify the agreed-upon next steps. Your task is to fill in those placeholders, then pause the video, run the prompt in ChatGPT, and see how effortlessly you can generate a professional, impactful follow-up. This will save you so much time. Awesome! You should now have a ready-to-send follow-up email. Look at how ChatGPT has structured it. A clear subject line, a friendly opening, bulleted key takeaways that summarize both challenges and solutions, and a crisp outline of next steps. This prompt ensures clarity and professionalism, helping you reinforce the value of your solution and keep the deal moving forward without spending excessive time drafting. It's concise, impactful, and perfectly represents your conversation, solidifying your client relationship. The key takeaway for crafting follow-up summaries is clear. AI is a powerful tool for streamlining your post-meeting communication. By quickly synthesizing discussion points and clearly outlining next steps, you ensure both you and your client are perfectly aligned. This not only saves you precious time, but also drives progress more effectively, moving deals forward with greater clarity and purpose. You've done an amazing job today. We started by solidifying our understanding of the RCTFC Framework, the blueprint for all effective AI prompts. Then, you learned how to automate your discovery call preparation, ensuring you're always one step ahead. We also covered how to personalize your product demos for maximum impact, and how to streamline your post-meeting follow-ups for clarity and efficiency. By applying these AI-driven strategies, you're not just saving time, you're gaining a significant strategic advantage in your solutions consulting role. You've got this. If you found these prompts helpful, please hit that subscribe button for more tutorials. Remember, the full lab guide with all prompts is linked in the description below. What's one specific challenge in solutions consulting you'd love to tackle with AI next? Let me know in the comments.